So today we are just around 2 months away from Tesla launching the robo-taxi, which again will be Uber and Lyft's biggest threat over the next decade. And I'm assuming other companies will be launching. We've just seen Waymo. They are now doing self-driving cars also. So I wanted to just share my thoughts on, really Uber and Lyft potentially ending now. I mean, they really could be ending very soon once Tesla, really starts ramping up their ride sharing service. So please thumbs up the video, leave your thoughts and comments below. First, if you're interested in a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity right here on YouTube by creating a Faceless YouTube channel. It's something I've been doing now for over 5 years. And if you follow my program down below, you get a free 30-day free trial to try it all out, set up your page, and hopefully start making money. And, it's really easy. It just takes a little bit of time and effort, but I know you guys are able to do that. So it's how I was able to. When I started, I was a full-time college student and I had a full-time job, 40 hours a week, and school was like 50 hours a week. And I just did YouTube at night. So if you have a couple extra hours per day or per week, I think you can really get, the ball rolling and see how it works and hopefully start making, really good money. I've been able to make over 10 grand a month for like 5 years. So it's how I was able to buy my house and everything. So, I'm actually going to drive because there is a really loud garbage truck right behind me, very conveniently. But during this video, I'm not going to be looking at the camera. I'm just going to be talking about my thoughts with Tesla rideshare because, again, guys, this is the first time we've seen a major competitor. I mean, we've seen what other ride-sharing apps have there been? Alto, Ride Alto. That one, I mean, it seems good in theory, but like it's not competing with Uber and Lyft because they're going the employee route. And so they can't keep up with 1099ers signing up drivers and, left and right like crazy. They actually like interview their drivers and stuff. And then there's another one called Hover, but they're only in Toronto, I believe. That's the one that does 100% of the fare to drivers. So Tesla, keep in mind, who's the founder of Tesla? Elon Musk. He's the richest man in the world, over $100 billion net worth. Him going after Uber, going after the ride sharing space, this is not just gonna be a drop in the bucket, guys. You got to keep that in mind. He bought Twitter on a random Tuesday because he thought it was fun, and he spent like $60 billion on it. He's launching rockets into space. He spends, I think it's like 10, 20, $50 million every time he has to launch a rocket. It's like his funding is unlimited. I mean, literally tens, if not hundreds of billions of dollars are going to be poured into this. And I was actually talking to a Tesla salesman, guys. They are really prepared for this robo-taxi thing, whether it's going to, really take off this summer because that's when they're launching it, or if it's going to take a few years. They have, I believe, actually the Tesla salesman told me over 1 million Teslas that are ready to be deployed. Like they have Teslas that are ready to go. They're not even like they're just ready on call for when they get the regulation approved. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, I would really take this as a sign to start thinking about your next career move or your next side hustle move. Guys, we have incredible opportunities in the links below on ways to start making over 10,000 bucks a month on the internet. Keep in mind, everyone and their mom is scrolling online all day long, spending hours and hours and hours on their phone all day long. Why not be a part of the other side of it where you're making money off everyone? That's what I did. I transitioned my life to where now I make money completely online. And I'm not dealing with any products. I'm not shipping out any products, although you could. I mean, that is another way to make money. I'm all about, doing it digitally on TikTok, on YouTube, drop shipping. I like drop shipping the most because you don't have to handle any of the products. You just, you're just like dealing with the marketing and stuff. So check out the links below to Shopify, to TikTok Shop, to YouTube, the Faceless YouTube channel. These are all things you can get started with today. Set up your store with like today, or set up your channel today and start making money like quickly. I mean, these opportunities are crazy right now. And people are, you know, making life-changing money. I mean, I've made life-changing money, and I'm just one of probably millions of people who are making money on the internet, right? Like good money. So you don't need any experience to do this stuff, guys. You don't need any qualifications. You don't need any followings. You just need a little bit of time, you need a little bit of effort, and you need a little bit of mentorship, I would say, to really like fast track it. So that's how you get fast tracked over. And with the 30-day free trials, I mean, that's crazy. How, in what other YouTuber is giving out 30-day free trials to three different opportunities to make money? You can try all three of them out, and if you don't like them within 30 days, cancel it, and you'll never, you know, that'll be $0 invested, and then you can, maybe you'll learn a thing or two, and you can go on to launch a multi-million-dollar business. But anyways, I'm really sidetracking. I'm just driving around now because yeah, but I mean, with the whole end of Uber, end of Lyft, I honestly do think it's gonna happen, guys, because Elon Musk is crazy. He's funny. He's a meme guy, you know. He's like, he understands that people hate Uber and people hate Lyft, and this is the perfect space to jump into, because the Lyft CEO, he just came out the other day on LinkedIn and he was like, I drove Lyft he's like, Lyft driving is fun. I did 3 rides in Napa Valley. He was literally giving rides in the most beautiful place in the world. He did 3 rides from winery to winery. I mean, these guys are so clueless, guys. Like, you don't even understand. The Lyft CEO is a complete dumbass. I mean, excuse my language, but you're going out and doing 3 rides in Napa Valley, and now you're saying that you can relate to drivers? I mean, what an absolute joke. It's like, it's so dumb. So anyways, let me know your thoughts, guys. Check out the links below. Otherwise, we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. I'm at home now. All right, bye.